Hi guys, in this video I'll be comparing Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops with Bloomeffects Tulip Dew Drops. Just to give you a quick run through, I'll read out the product description and key ingredients, I'll do a hand swatch face application and give you my final thoughts. Starting first with Bloomeffects Dew Drops. This is said to be a multivitamin enriched plumping daily serum that hydrates the skin, leaves a dewy finish, and protects against free radicals and pollution. Its key ingredients are vitamin B3, C, D3, E, squalane, Chinese root blend, prebiotic hydration complex, and hyaluronic acid. Next is Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dew Drops. It is said to be a niacinamide infused serum that is lightweight, hydrating, fast absorbing, and leaves an instant glow to the skin. Its key ingredients are niacinamide, watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and moringa seed oil. So time for hand swatch. I'll start first with the Bloomeffects Dew Drops and I will shake it first. Okay, this feels more like cream or looks more like cream. So this is what the Bloomeffects Dew Drop looks like. Next would be the Glow Recipe one. I'm going to shake it first. I'm going to do 1 or 2 pumps. This is a lot more thicker in my opinion. They're both thick, but I feel like the Glow Recipe one is more gel-like or more together as opposed to that of the Bloomeffect one. Right here is Glow Recipe and right here is Bloomeffects. I'm just going to use my finger to swatch up like so and use this finger to swatch up like so. Do you guys see anything? So like I said, this feels more gel-like. That's the Glow Recipe one, whereas the Bloomeffect one is more cream-like. I can see like a glow instantly with the Niacinamide Dew Drops as opposed to this one. This feels like a lotion as opposed to this one, but I'm just gonna apply both of them to my face so that you guys can get like a better, view. So time for face application. I'm just gonna go ahead to apply toner and I'll be using this one from Thayers. I'm just going to go in with 1 pump. I think 1 pump is enough. Okay, let me just do 2, just so that you can see like the clear difference between them. And on this side, I'll go in with the Glow Recipe one. To be honest, 1 pump is enough. 2. Let me blend this so that you guys can see them. If you're wondering why I'm looking down, I'm using a mirror. So I'm done blending them in, and on this side I have Glow Recipe. And on this side I have Bloomeffects. There's one difference that I can already spot by looking at myself. Glow Recipe, Bloomeffects. In terms of texture, the Glow Recipe one is gel-like, blends into the skin nicely, whereas the Bloomeffect one is lotion-like and also blends into the skin nicely. In terms of how they feel, I'd say that they're both lightweight on the skin, and when I tap my face like this, I get a sticky feel. I get more stickiness on that of the Glow Recipe side as opposed to the Bloomeffect side. In terms of the finish they both leave on the skin, I'll say that they both leave a glow on the skin, but I see the dewy finish more on that of the Glow Recipe side as opposed to that of the Bloomeffects side. So in terms of scent, let me perceive the Bloomeffects one. There's a smell to it, but I don't know how to describe it. Just say it smells like flowers. And in terms of the Glow Recipe one, I already know how this smells. This smells just like watermelon. and it's not overpowering, just so you know. So in terms of price, the Glow Recipe comes in 3 sizes: 15 ml, 40 ml, and 80 ml, and it retails for $20, $35, and $49, whereas the Bloom Effect one comes in just one size, which is 30 ml for $65. So for final thoughts, I'd say that they're both beautiful serums, or they both feel nice on the skin. But when it comes to repurchasing, I will not repurchase this one, mainly because it's not cost effective for me. So if you're looking for something more lighter than the Glow Recipe one, definitely go for this one. Overall, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Let me know if you've tried either of these serums in the comment section by leaving a comment. Give this video a thumbs up, as it helps push my content to others. Also share this to others, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so you always get notified each time I upload new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.